Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. With my assistant Duke, I want to talk to you about the Chief Mi200T. Three-phase welder that packs a powerful 14,500 amps of welding power, so it'll do all the new high-strength steels. It has auto weld technology. This welder also has, normally these welders come standard with 3 arms. This welder has 8 arms with it. It's in excellent condition. It also too has almost 20-foot lead, so it makes using the welder much more easier. And folks, this welder, as you can see, is very, very, very clean. Hasn't been used a lot. Normally sells for $23,000. This welder, $8,495. I've been in the auto body equipment, collision equipment industry for almost 47 years. And if you don't have a spot welder, you are literally taking thousands of dollars out of your company and throwing it out the window by doing it the old-fashioned MIG welding way. Call the 800 number. Talk to us about this welder. Thanks.